Welcome back. All right, so now that we have this here, we have our logo, we have our image, and don't worry, this is going to all be formatted here. Uh, Underneath this, we're going to have three columns. So let's hop in and put those in. So underneath, what we need to do is we need to put in a specific we need to put in everything within this div tag here. So we have this header page here. It has to be after that. So I'm actually going to go and delete this, and I'm going to put it in right here. And what we're going to do is we're going to add in another div tag, and we'll make this div tag ID equal to, we'll call this main page. Okay? We'll call this the main page, or we can call this main content. Or since we're actually doing this, we can call it three columns. Just like that. That actually makes way more sense to call it three columns. Okay, so we got div tag in three columns here, and we're going to set up our three columns, and we're going to set up column number one first. So let's just do that. We added another div tag, and we're going to say this is ID is equal to column 1. Okay, pretty simple stuff. Okay, we'll close this off right away, just like that. And within this, we're going to add in a couple of items here. We're going to add in our header 2, and we're going to call this column 1. And then we'll close this off with header 2. Okay, and below this you should see that we have column 1, and then we're going to add in our paragraph tag here, and we'll just say we can call this paragraph, and we can add in more text to that here. So we can add paragraph, and we'll just simply paste that in a few times just so that we get some body to the text here, and that's exactly what it should look like at this point in time. We'll go ahead and we'll take this into, we'll close off the paragraph tag right here. Okay, this concludes the tutorial.